Vanna from Cheap Nails Helping You stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, I'm going to be swatching and reviewing the Drizzle Beauty Gel Nail Polish Kit. Drizzle Beauty was nice enough to send me this kit for my honest review, and this video is going to be awesome because we're going to be doing gel manicures. And if you want to know more about Drizzle Beauty and their products, I will leave everything linked down in the description box down below. Now it is time to open this black box. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, so we got a structured manual to the gel polish. And then we got this is the description of this. It is the summer collection. There's 6 colors, and you can see like the preview of the colors. Looks pretty, looks summery. Alright, and here is oh my goodness, look at them, they're in there. They're like tucked in there real nice. They would like never fall out of there. Oh my goodness, that's very nice packaging. Alright, we got 6 colors here. We need to swatch these and then pick one to do a full manicure of. Or maybe 2. Maybe 3. I don't know. We just need to start swatching these. Let's go. Let's start. Oh, that's my mouth.
Alright, so here is a closer look at what's inside the box, instructions, and of course the gel polish. So let's grab the first gel polish, which is this beautiful neutral cream shade. I'm going to be swatching these colors on my fake nail tips that I got at Dollar Tree, just because we're going to be picking some later to do a full manicure. So right now we got to swatch these. So this color was beautiful. I could tell that it needed a second coat. When I put it on, it was kind of sheer, but it was, it was pretty opaque. It's a very beautiful cream. So I went ahead and cured that in the light for 60 seconds, and then I added another coat because it needed another coat, and I think that I got fully opaque, so I went ahead and cured it, and here's what it looks like. It is a beautiful neutral shade. It's just great. So beautiful. Alright, moving on to the next one, which is called Tender, and it is a beautiful kind of what do you call it, like corally orange, and it's just beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint it on. I really love these shades for summer because it just reminds me of a coral reef and just, I don't know, just a summer. It's just beautiful. I love how they added this one to the summer collection. So after I cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds, I went ahead and added a second coat. It was pretty much opaque in one coat, but I added a second coat, and it's absolutely beautiful and perfect for summer. Alright, moving on to the next one, which is called Floaty, and it is a beautiful turquoise greenish blue gel polish, and it is just beautiful in the bottle. So let's go ahead and paint it on the fake nail. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it on. It was pretty much opaque in one coat, but it needed a second. I was like, this needs a second coat, almost, not quite. So I went ahead and cured it, and then I added another coat, and then I cured it again, and it is so beautiful and just perfect for summer. Perfect cream for summer.
It is now time for the TMAY, which means tell me something about you down in the comment section down below. It can be anything. It's like a fun fact about you down in the comment section down below, and then we can vibe about it down there. So let me know something about you.
Alright, back to the gel polishes. So I grabbed Buzzing. I don't know why I can never get names right. I'm sorry, guys. I do pronounce names wrong quite often, so I'm sorry about that. But this is a beautiful orange, fiery orange color, and I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds after that one coat. Then I went ahead and added a second coat, even though it was just pretty much opaque in one coat. It's a beautiful cream, very self-loving, and just absolutely gorgeous. I love this shade for summer. Alright, moving on to the next one, which is Airy, and it is, I was so excited about this one because it's like a sky blue, and I love sky blues because I feel like sky blues can work for like spring and summer. So yeah, so I went ahead and painted on, and then I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I painted another coat on, cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds. You always want to make sure you want to cure in between coats. And yeah, this one, absolutely beautiful sky blue cream, very high quality, love it. Alright, moving on to the very last one, which is Serene. Serene? Is it Serene? Me and names, I don't know why I'm like this, but it is a light purple, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like this is a good spring going into summer color. And I went ahead and added a second coat, and it's absolutely beautiful, and I think that these gel polishes are so very high quality, beautiful.
Alright, so yesterday I unboxed it and we swatched the colors. They're all super pretty, but now I got to thinking we got to do a manicure now. You gotta do a manicure with the colors. And I really like the sky blue and that light purple. So why don't we do something with that? Because it's beautiful. And those colors are good for right now when it's kind of spring and then going into summer. This collection is really, really nice for summer with the oranges. But that light blue, that sky blue is beautiful. And that purple just reminded me of spring. So why don't we take those two colors and do a manicure now? I'm ready. I do all this work to put mascara on. And you never see my eyelashes on camera. It's really frustrating. Does anyone else have that problem? It's really frustrating.
Okay, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and grab the base coat they sent me, and I'm going to apply that to my nails. My nails are already prepped and ready. And now it's time for the helpful fact of the day, which is gel polish does not cure, doesn't air dry, so you have time to work. So in my case, like right here, I accidentally put way too much gel on my nails. So I just went ahead and kind of removed some of it with the brush itself, and then I just evened it out and made sure it was a thin coat. That's the awesome thing about gel, is that you can just, work with it because it doesn't air dry. So I went ahead and cleaned around my nails, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. And then I went ahead and grabbed that beautiful light blue shade that we talked about earlier, that we swatched and looked at, and we were amazed because it is beautiful. So I went ahead and painted that on my ring finger and my index finger, and then I cleaned up around my nails with 100% acetone and a cleanup brush. And then I went ahead and grabbed, oh my goodness, that beautiful purple shade. It's just beautiful, perfect for spring going into summer, just beautiful. And I went ahead and painted that on my middle finger and on my pinky. And then I cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I went ahead to do another coat, just because I feel like, I don't know, I don't feel like I have a full manicure unless I do 2 coats. And to get fully opacity, I just went ahead and did 2. And then I went ahead and grabbed that beautiful greenish turquoise shade and painted that on my thumb. And then I cured everything for 60 seconds in the lamp once again. And then they were all cured and beautiful. So now I'm just going to do a nice design to finish up my manicure. So I went ahead and made these spiky flowers. I forgot what they're called. I don't know why, I can't remember. But I just used a toothpick and I kind of just made a circle, and then I kind of just scratched it up. And then I used some of that same greenish turquoise polish and made the stems and the leaves, and then I put some just dots of green on my nails, and there we go, a beautiful flowery manicure. I can't remember what these flowers are called, but they are beautiful, and I just think they turned out really nice. And so I cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I grabbed the matte top coat they sent me, and then I'm going to paint a coat of that on. Now, I've never actually used gel matte top coat, but I went ahead and painted it on, and it painted on very nicely. It was a nice formula, and then I capped the free edge, and here's what it looks like. And then I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and here it is. It's matte. It was amazing. I put them in there, and I just cured them, and it's matte. It was just beautiful. I really like these gel nail polishes. I think the foam here is very high quality and beautiful. I really like the light blue and, like I said, the purple, so I did a full manicure. Do you like my manicure? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Before this video, I've never even tried any of Drizzle's Beauty's gel polishes, but I'm so glad that I did because they were beautiful and it was an awesome experience. Please let me know down in the comment section down below what was your favorite gel polish that we swatched here today. I gotta say, I really love the sky blue. Just beautiful. Well, all of them are just gorgeous. If you want to know more about Drizzle's gel nail polishes, I'll leave everything linked down in the description box down below for you. I hope you got value out of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Now it is time for the GTKM. I don't know. It's right here. Just look at it. Which means get to know me better. I use foam curlers. I curl my hair with foam curlers that I get at Dollar Tree for $1. That's how I curl my hair. Yep. That's how I curl my hair. I put a little mousse in my hair and put the foam curlers in my hair.